What a beautiful day today here on Nisswa Lake with MarineMax Nisswa and Cross Lake. We are here where there's open water. We have the dock crews here on the lake working hard from Bradow Dock Service, getting all your docks and lifts in for the season. We just want to give everybody a quick update here. The upper lakes are just starting to go out. We're on Nisswa Lake here where we're getting your shore station, all your lakefront needs in, and the boats are coming next. That's right, we're super excited. Don't forget, when you schedule your boat for delivery this spring, all of you awesome Nisswa and Cross Lake storage customers, come take a lap around the showrooms. We got lots of inventory, reduced pricing for you to take advantage this spring because the water is here and ready for you to take action. We'll see you for another open water ice update here from MarineMax Nisswa and Cross Lake.